Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Fancy Gloss Constellation of Cancer and I'm going to do some stamping. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Fancy Gloss Constellation of Cancer. It's a thermal. It's beautiful. It goes from blue to purple. Some of my favorites. And the formula was excellent on this one. I was really impressed. This is my first Fussy Gloss or Fancy Gloss. It's so pretty. This was one I picked up from the Polish pickup last month. I couldn't wait to get it on my nails. I'm going to cap my fridge here real quick. Really nice formula. I love that it stayed put where I want it. Here we go with our second coat. And you know I had to get this one because it was Constellation of Cancer and that is my sign. What's your sign, girl? Mine's Cancer. So there we go. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so that I can do some playing. I'm so excited. And I will be doing another, kind of Valentine's Day manicure with my, not so traditional colors. But y'all know I roll like that. Here it is all on its own. Isn't it pretty? Love the little specks in it, little hollows. Love it. Alrighty, so we're going to be using BM426 and my Conad stamper and my beauty scraper. Today I've got out Maniology's So Metal, and I'm just going to stamp out the word love. I don't know that I've ever used this stamping plate. If I have, it's been a very long time, so it was overdue. So we're just going to try to line that up. And I love that the letters aren't just too big. Now I will go ahead and confess that I put this O on kind of like backwards. I wasn't paying attention to where the blocks were, the solid blocks. And see, I'm thinking about it. I'm like, okay. And I ended up turning it all the way around. Crazy woman. So this is a real simple, easy kind of Valentine's manicure. But it doesn't have to be Valentine's. It could just be love. Love can happen anytime, right? You can do love manicures all throughout the year. I'm not totally sticking to the Valentine's Day theme. I'm just doing my own thing. So there we go. And I decided I'd put that little swirl over on my thumb. Because, I didn't want it to be lonely and unstamped. So there we go. I am going to clean up this plate with pure acetone. I do clean off my stamper in between with a lint roller. Keep it all cleaned up. I'll be topping this with the smudge-free top coat from Vibrant Vinyls. No. Girl's lost her mind. That's from Maniology. And today I'll be using Poshe as my top coat. Get it all sealed in. This girl's lost her mind, y'all. So here we go with the swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment, excuse me, down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.